Hello guys, I'm Alex and today I want to show you how I'm making pictures, engraving pictures on metal with my fiber laser 50 watt from Pascal, and how I'm processing the image from start to finish. First of all, I'm using Lightboard 175 length, and we're starting by open Photoshop. I'm using Photoshop for removing the background and doing picture black one to make the layer you will see in few moments. First of all, we create a new. I have a dog tag 50 by 28 millimeters. I'm making here 50 wide, 28 high, and 500 pixel per inch. It's like 500 dpi. We create a new one. We suppose this is the dog tag because I put it on the side to have more space for the picture. First of all, we'll go to File, and maybe few of you know how to use Photoshop, but I do it step by step. How I doing, learning from YouTube, learning from my own experience with the CO2 and direct laser as well. Place embedded. We importing the picture of me, my nephew and my niece. If you want to scale it or to resize it or to make it bigger or smaller, you can do it now before you press enter. I leave it like how is. I'm pressing enter. After, on the left side, choosing quick selection tool, yes, and on the top we have select subject, or you can use it like making a shape contour of your subject. This Photoshop is 2021 version, and I have a select subject. I'm click on select subject. Sorry for my English if you don't understand me as good how you're supposed to understand me. I hope everybody understands. If not, you can text me or message me or whatever you don't understand something. Check if everything is okay. If you are happy with your contour and everything. This picture is made with my phone, which one I recording now. It's Samsung S22 Ultra. It's making amazing photo. Plus I done already these pictures before and I will do it again, and I removed the background and everything from the phone when I done it first time. Now I imported the original one and I want to show you from beginning. After the subject is selected, on the right hand down it's add a new layer mask. We click on this one, we make a white background, we select the background layer from the right hand and we delete, and after we will look like this. Next step, we go on the top left, we click image, we go to adjustment and we choose black and white. We leave it how is it here by default and we click OK. We leave a picture black and white. We save this picture black and white. We go to file, we go to save as, we give them a name, yeah, and we put them Alex1. We save like PNG. This is my way. and I save it on the desktop. We press save and after OK. Next step, we go back again to image, we go back again to adjustment, and we choose threshold. We'll open a window, and after you see we pushing this one on maximum right, and we'll make this black image. This one will help us to make the layer. We choose OK. Don't bother too much about these white dots from the right hand here. We don't do nothing else, only we do this. We go to file again, save as, we save again, we put a name. I will choose again Alex, but I will put it number 2, and we save it again on PNG. I think so it will work with the JPEG or GLPG or GPAG, but all my photos I do it PNG. We save, we replace it because I've done it already, and press OK. Next step, it's something maybe somebody knows, somebody don't know. I'm using ImageR. ImageR, it's a software where it's processing the image for laser engraving, for diode laser, for CO2 laser. I'm using this software for the last 2 years when I started doing stuff like a hobby. I have an offline version of ImageR, pay. It's around, you can buy the license for 6 months. It's around $25 or 50 or 40 something for 1 year. Or you can go to Google and search image-r.com, and it will look like this. It's for free. You have two options. You have a free option, you have a online pay version, or offline like mine. You don't need internet, you don't need connection of internet or something like that. How I am doing, I never supposed it would work on fiber laser with image preparing for wood. The difference between offline version or online version with the license and without license is you have more option to choose. First of all, let me show you on my offline version pay license, and believe me, deserve all the money, because some people, they said on Facebook page where it's the guy making the software, why I need to pay the license when I can process the image by myself in Photoshop. Not everybody is so clever. Doesn't matter. First of all, we go on the top left corner and we upload the image we save from Photoshop, and is Alex number 1. How you can see, I have a lot of pictures done already. We open it. Second, we go down on the left side, we choose resize image, choosing on millimeter of inch or inch. I'm using millimeter. It's showing you straight away the measure. You have it already saved on Photoshop. That's why I'm doing straight away from Photoshop how big I want, not resize it again here. It's like 49, almost 50 by 28 with 500 dpi. All the time leave this one mark, the fixed aspect ratio. Yeah, we press OK. Usually for this picture I'm doing a little adjustment because I've done already this picture few times, and I need a little more gamma. Instead of 1.0 I'm choosing 1.2, and it's making a little more bright or lighter or because I see on my laser is doing too much dark, especially on the face, and you cannot see the details. Plus you have a different option here to choose: auto sharpness or auto adjustment or color correction, denoise, everything. For the moment I'm not using nothing from here, only a little gamma I choose, because I told you I will show you this picture as I done several times. Next step is on the left side, add material. When you click here, it's open a window with a lot of algorithm. How they said their name, they are algorithm. All of them, they have acrylic, black slate, cork, glass, leather, white tile with painted black, wood, and anodized in aluminum, like the business card. The online version, free one, is looking like that. The same, almost similar, plus you have different option of removing the background and enhance and vectorize and color correction, but not all they are available on the free version. The free version is giving you only few choice, but still good for beginner. We do like that. Upload the image. We're choosing the same image. Open it. We're going down. We see already we have 50 millimeters by 28 with 500 dpi. If we need, we resize it again in millimeter. If not, we leave it like that. You can crop from here the same. You have the option to crop. You have the option to adjust the image, the same like on the offline version. Let's do it the same. Gamma adjustment 1.2. After, you have a choice to add a text if you need it. We don't need it in this case. We go to material, choose material, and here is the option. On free version you have only these three options beside of pay version, and believe me, I use Nero and Cassia for wood and is making great pictures. On free version you can choose Norton is like a diode laser, even is writing here, mostly used on diode laser, or CO2. You can choose CO2, whatever material we have it. Let's go back to my version, pay one. I'm using this one, Marcin. I tried Marcin, Nero, Cassia and CO2/2, but for me the best one is Marcin. And guess what, I'm choosing Marcin wood. Yes, I'm preparing the image like for engraving on wood. It's looking something like that. If you zoom it, or on the left side here where is the preview, you can check how it's looking. It's giving you a preview how it's looking on different kind of wood, birch, MDF, and different one. Yeah, you can save the image if you want, but this is not mean it will look like that. It's up to your laser, what setting you use, what kind of laser you use. But believe me, it's helping me a lot with this software. Let's continue. After we do this, we save the image. We save the image on PNG the same, on desktop, and press save. The image is saved, and now we go to library. For those who using SCAD, I don't know how to explain you more than by from beginning to this point. From now on, who using a library, it will be more easier. Next step, I have a dog tag, put it on this side, landscape, and we need to bring the picture we made it in image R and the black one. Let me put this one down, and this one, and this one, and we bring this one, the black one, on light bar and we bring the picture, we make it from image R. Yeah, now this one, the white layer, we do it before we printing the image, is this one. How we do it? We select it, right click, trace image, nothing change here, only I choose to delete the image after tracing. I'm pressing OK, and it's making a vector file. I'm putting on the line, I ungroup, and now you can see you have like small thing here. Yeah, we don't need that one, we need only the outline. By choosing the outline, moving on the side, delete everything what was inside the small dots. Yeah, the dog tag in the center of the working area, I'm choosing the outline, putting on fill, and moving on the center of the working space. Now taking the picture, you have two options. Or you take the picture like this and you drop it on the top, but you need to choose first layer, stainless steel clean up, put it first on the top, second the image, because the light burn is starting from the on cut and layers from the top to the bottom. What is first, it will do first, what is second will do second. We need to choose to put first the cleaning, the first layer, and after the picture. We can put it like this by hand, helping with control, keeping press control and moving to move it a little more slowly. Or second way, when you have the picture here, choose to make a square, start from closer to the image, one second, to move like this to have more visit. Choosing the picture, yeah, choosing to make a square. I'm choosing different color. We choose to make a square, yeah, I'm making a square. After I'm choosing the square on the red. Now select both of them, the picture and the square, right click, apply mask to image, without moving nothing, right click again and flat image to mask, and it will have a cut and make the picture smaller. And now will be more easier to select the image and keeping press control to put it on the top. But this one is optional, you can choose it straight away, put the picture on the top. Something like that. If it's a little, you will not see too much different. Now on the right hand, on the cut and layers, we move the image, second fill, first layer, if we covering, and this one, yeah, the cleaning. I'm using for stainless steel, I have I make some test grip and I check which settings is making me a white layer. I have two of them. I have one is 900mm speed with 30% power from my 50 watts and 40% kilohertz with a line interval of 0.0254. It's 1000 line per inch on the angle of 45. Select B directional fill, but I'm not choosing cross hatch. I choose before, but is on the second hatch is doing like a little more brown, and now I want to try with you without cross hatch, only one direction on 45 degrees, and on image settings is the most important. First of all, you need to be sure you have here 400 or how many DPIs you make the pictures. Mine, I try, is the best one is between 500 and 600 DPI. Before you choose 500, the speed for my 175 lens is 300, the maximum power is 25, and the frequency is 103. DPI 500 or 0.0508 line per inch, and never choose something from here when you prepare the image from outside of Library, like image R. If you don't prepare the image outside and bring it straight away in Library after Photoshop or after another app you have it, you need to choose one of these. Stocky, Jarvis, Dirty, or whatever you need to try. Dirty and Stocky, it was the one I tried, bringing pictures straight away from my phone to Library, and it was working fine, but you need to adjust the image gamma and stuff like that. Never choose this one. You put your DPI and pass through on, and you cannot select nothing from here. Yeah, after this one, press OK. You ensure you have first layer is the fill one, cleaning one, 45. Second layer is the image. If we select everything and go to preview, show traveling mode, and we press play, it's showing you how it's doing. Let me put it once. Yeah, hatching, cleaning first, and after cleaning, all the time when you do image, you will start from the bottom. You cannot choose the angle because it's, I don't know how to explain to you. When you bring the image from image R already processing, it will not let you to choose the angle of the picture. Yeah, and this one, it will be the picture after engraving. Okay, now let's go and make this picture. Now I want to show you how I'm doing. The laser, when I buy it already, I buy it with the 70 lens. It's already marked where is the 70, 175 and 300. What I done, I measure, I focus the laser with the material, yeah, whatever I need, 355 or how much I need, and after I make something like this. I see people on YouTube doing, yeah, I done from some scrap acrylic, and mine is for 175. I have 287 millimeters from the lens to the material. All the time I focus, not unfocus or defocus, and mine is touching. I need to lift it up a little more, only touch a little to be sure it's there. Second of all, let's zoom it a little. Let's frame first time on this kind of red book tag. Yeah, let's put it. I have a scrap piece of metal, some stainless steel, and let me show you how I done it. Yeah, we're supposed to frame the dog tag first, ensure everything is alright, then choose picture and layer fill one, both of them, laser, frame. Yeah, we are happy, and now let's press start. First one will be the cleaning one. Sometimes it's giving more white, sometimes it's giving me a little more gray color, depend of the material or depend of the settings. I have to set it I'm choosing this one, and after you will engrave the picture. Don't judge me because I don't have a fume extractor and something like that. I bring the laser in one spare bedroom because I keep it in my garage and it's too cold there and I cannot work there and show everything. It's taking me like half an hour to do everything. And voila, the result. Let me show you the dog tag. I done it already and I done it again with you guys. What is mean to have a good quality picture and how to process the image very easy with ImageR. And on the brass I'm using a same method, a same image, only the difference is that you need to check how much power and speed and frequency you need for making a white layer. And look, a picture of my grandma making few years ago with a camera, good camera, and the same process I done it with ImageR and wood, and using the same settings like this one. And let me show you few pictures I done to understand why you need to do some test. Not everybody asking for settings, and you think if you have settings you have everything. Look guys, you need to check what frequency and speed you have, and look how many picture, good one, bad one I done, plus customer pictures. I tried to done it first time on the piece of stainless steel similar with the dog tag, because I don't want to throw away so many dog tags. Look, and here the same, here same picture. I done it with different algorithm. This one is the same like now marching, I think so. This one is Cassia, Nero, and CO2/2, similar with marching. Yeah. Plus this side full of test again. Yeah. Of course, with the help of JMac, yeah, make me understand about the frequency. But example here with the power of 30 and speed of, I don't know, 750 and the frequency of 25.6, I have a white layer. If I have this white layer and these settings with this lens, I know first time I'm using this before I'm printing the picture. And the brass one, and I posted earlier, I make for my football team from my country a logo with some settings. Same, try to make some color. It's not a MOPA, it's a GPT, but still looks like okay. Plus plenty of settings, and again settings. Without settings you cannot do nothing. And what is the last one? I done it for my friend. I need to do this one. I have a different project and I make his brother picture smaller to see the quality, if it's alright. If it's too dark you can increase the gamma or contrast, or maybe you know better than me. This is my way. This is the final result, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like it and you understand everything. If you have any question, drop me a message. Facebook, TikTok. Also, I need more followers on TikTok to start doing some live video. If you want to help me, drop me a like and a follow. See you soon and stay safe. Bye.